Here's the next part of the ONSON robot vacuum setup. So the remote control came in with a battery. So this is the part where I'm showing you placing the battery in the remote. And then once the remote is set up with a battery, of course you have to test it, make sure that it works with the vacuum. So that's your main vacuum. So there are options on your remote. You can move forward. You can do a manual control, which is move forward, backward, to the left, to the right, and then you have a way to turn it around. There are pre-programmed buttons for the vacuum. It performs both cleaning mode and the longest straight line distances during cleaning is 197 inch. Right now, this is actually operating with the mop. So if you pay attention to the shiny part that you see once the vacuum moves up or down, that's what it does when you're using the mop. So it's actually cleaning up your floor. So right now this is just a vacuum doing it on auto. So it's just on auto. As long as you fully charge it, it will operate as it's supposed to be. But pay attention to the shiny part, because this is the vacuum right now operating as a mop. So I haven't set up the water that comes out of the vacuum. There is a setting. You can choose a setting on how much water comes out, but right now it's just a quick view for you to be able to see how it works. So you see that shiny part. You want to make sure that nobody's there. If you have children, make sure or a child doesn't go to where the vacuum is operating. See, I have this on ×5 on the timeline, just to make sure that it goes fast. But here, pay attention to the shiny part. So basically, we are using the robot vacuum right now as a mop, and it is actually cleaning it. Well, you have to make sure if you're using it as a mop. I mean, for this part, the floor is already clean of dust. So basically, just right now, floor doesn't have dust. So I'm just trying the vacuum, and this is what happened. It only has a little bit of water left, the water tank, and that's the mop. So with the mop, it's small. It's very small, so it's gonna be different when you're actually cleaning a large room with very dirty floor. But basically, it's not as dirty as it's supposed to be, because the floor is already a little, it's clean and free of dust. So you just want to wash that and then charge your vacuum again.